in Asia.
Oh, I
They-
see.
They are talking of in Gensanity.
Oh,
People are, he's in Taiwan
I know
now.
his stock is doing very good. His company is doing very good now.
Have you got
I think
stocks of
with,
NVIDIA?
microchips, they are, I think, one of the top people, I think.
Yeah. He's overtaken Apple.
Yeah.
Mm.
Only Microsoft is ahead of him.
Mm.
Hi, Uma.
Good
Good
Mukesh.
morning, Alex. Good morning.
Hi, Uma.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning.
Always happy.
Always happy. What's an agenda today? I asked.
I'll
I
post it
could-
now. Couple of things. I'll post Natarajan. Can you
Yeah.
transfer to me? I need to post something on, or you can post it also. if I
Oh,
send you.
okay. I can do that. Okay.
Okay, you transfer and I will share screen.
First, I'll transfer the
Only then I can
first
share
function
screen.
to you. Okay.
Hmm.
What scheme?
Sharing screen. I just was asking about agenda, no?
Yeah.
A couple of things. Hopefully it will work. Let us see.
Suresh,
Hmm.
I said I will give my observations about the meeting I attended a couple of weeks ago in Chicago.
Very
Hmm.
good. You go start,
Sure.
start, Uma.
No, no, no,
Sure.
no. No.
What is the
Let
meeting about, Uma?
Suresh
No,
go
no,
with the
those
agenda.
are generic things. What we want is something like what you are saying, far more specific.
Uma,
What
what
I'm
is the
going to do
meeting
is something
about?
very generic. You start.
What's the title of
Okay.
your meeting?
I learned something in a group meeting.
Hmm.
I need to know how much time I got. I don't want to just to take
You can
over.
take as much time as you want.
Really? Oh,
Really.
really. The story behind this is my
Hmm.
wife wanted to have just a short trip to Chicago to attend the Tamil Nadu Foundation
Wow.
meeting. I said, hey, it is going to cost $2,000 at least, and there are a lot of family commitments. We have to think about it. Meanwhile, SK said, I'm coming with my wife. So
Hmm.
I thought that is a good thing. Then a couple of days later, he told me Tukaram is going to be honored. Then I
Hmm.
said, I cannot miss it. I have to go and see one of our classmates is being honored in a Tamil Nadu Foundation, which is a big, big thing
Big
in
thing.
America. So when I said to my wife, we are going, then I got into trouble. Whatever I want, you never do that. For geese and people, you will do
I
everything.
what
So
happened to
I'm in a hot box now. I'm in a penalty box now. That's okay.
Ayo.
Okay.
I'll send you a get free card. I've got a collection of get free cards.
Yeah. Then I did go. It was a very good function.
Hmm.
4,000 people attended that
Abba.
from all over America.
Good morning, everybody. What are you all
So
doing?
this is, I don't want to embarrass Tukaram. This is what I observed there. He
Hmm.
was a celebrity. Wherever he went, people who knew him wanted to take a picture with him.
Hmm.
Those who didn't know him, they all asked, where is Tukaram? I want to take a picture.
Very good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
This is what I noticed it for 2 days, wherever I go. Unbelievable. Then in the meetings, they award a lot of awards to so many people.
Hmm.
So wherever I go, they say, where is Tukaram? Tukaram
Abba.
has to hand over these awards.
But
So
what about
yesterday
Chandra?
he
Didn't
will
he
say,
also get?
huh?
Didn't Chandra also get some award?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. So he used to say, oh shit, I have to go again. And because he has to say something about the award and congratulate the people. So this is what's going on. One thing happened, no ladies were taking pictures with him.
Wow.
It's all men.
Where
So
where this happened? I joined late. Where?
Chicago.
What?
Chicago.
Chicago. I see. Okay.
And
Once
how
a
did
year
you go
they
to
do
Chicago? By road or by plane?
once a year they do that. This
Uh-huh.
year it was the 50th year of the foundation forming. So it was very special.
Interesting.
Meanwhile,
Very good.
SK didn't show up. For some reasons, he didn't come. But he was so curious about the award. Did Tukaram get the award? Did he get it? Did he get it? For the first 2 days, I looked, there was no award. Then I said to SK, hey, they didn't give him any award. He was very disappointed. I was disappointed too. Then final day, Ilayaraja's music concert was arranged. So it was around 9 o'clock. It was around. Before that, on the dais, I saw Tukaram and some of the past presidents. Then they came out and said, we are going to present a lifetime award to Tukaram. So they brought his wife from the audience. She didn't know. Then he gave an unprepared speech from the heart. It was really nice. He thanked his wife. He said she never said no for anything I did. And she never critiqued whatever I did. Why you did this, why you did it. Look what happened. She never did that. Then he said, I'm working from 20 years. Now for 61 years I have worked. I am going to work. Every day I go for work. I make money. I make money not for my grandchildren, but I am making money for the society. And he said every little contribution we do makes a big difference in our society. You should all try to help others. This is the theme. He said that.
Very nice.
Yeah, very, very nicely. It was very motivational. Even I felt I should do more. I felt
Tell
guilty.
me, it must be recorded somewhere. Couldn't you
Oh,
send us
yeah.
the URL?
It was very beautiful. It was recorded. And I think Tukaram should get a copy of that. And he can share.
Yeah, we can ask him.
It was very, at the end, 4,000 people stood up. I have never seen that kind of a sight in my lifetime. 4,000 people standing and giving an ovation for 3 or 4 minutes continuous. The guy who was sitting next to me, he was 40 years old. Then he said, I have to do something. I need to help others. So I saw it is a very, very encouraging for other people to get involved in public life. So I witnessed it, and I will never forget that experience.
Very good.
He
Thank you for
invited
sharing.
me- Huh?
Thank you for sharing. Such a vivid,
Really,
vivid.
we should all be very, very proud of what he has done. Then he invited me and my wife to go to his home. So we stayed in his home for one night.
Give us the essence of his contribution. What's the key thing he did? Things.
The thing is that he is the one, if you read the what I have sent, he sold his father's property in Chennai, and he gave it for Tamil Nadu Foundation. So, oh, here is Chandra. Chandra could highlight all that he has done. Come on, Chandra. What has he done?
யார்
என்ன
துக்காராம்
பண்ணலன்னு கேளு.
Tukaram,
இல்ல citation
done?
நல்லா கவர் பண்ணிருக்காங்களே.
what has he done to deserve this award? That's the question.
Say
Just
his
give
name
the
all the
highlight.
time. Just don't say he. Just say the name.
It all started like this. It was started in 1974, but it was dormant for nearly till 1990. Then TNF board said something should be done. Then somebody said that, look, unless Parniji Periswamy is there, nobody can do anything in Tamil Nadu Foundation in Chennai. Then Tukaram said, if you people allow me, I take it as a challenge and I'll see that things happen. So board immediately jumped on that idea and said, okay, Tukaram will be the coordinator to get the Tamil Nadu Foundation, Tamil Nadu chapter going. So then it all started. We wanted to look around for the land, but the land was there, but the titles were not in our favor. We had to fight a legal battle, and Tukaram supported a lot. And we had to even go up to Supreme Court to get hold of the land.
This is land in Tilpark,
MGR. at the time.
Taylor's Road.
5 years.
Taylor's Road, yeah, okay.
Then came the problem of raising funds for constructing the building. We made a nice design. Dr. Anandakrishnan was the chairman. And then he was also vice chancellor at Anna University. He asked the School of Architecture professors to come up with a nice drawing. They did support the plan. And Deyumani was the retired engineering director of Metro Water. He used his influence and clout and got the plan approved with CMDA, because you should realize that there was no document at all. There was only a government order. It was a meeting minutes in which it was said, out of 48 grounds acquired by the Tamil Nadu government, the Urban Dealings Act, major portion will go to Chinmaya Vidyalaya School, and a portion will go to Housing Board, and a small piece of land, 3 grounds for Tamil Nadu Foundation. So there is no document at all. So it was only the meeting minutes, and which was minuted, and then with that we created a document. All that helped to Mr. Deyumani. Then the building came up. But by the time the money raised by Tukaram, majority of the funds was from Tukaram, nearly 40 lakhs. And 5 years gone by, price escalation, we could hardly have only basement and ground floor and first floor. We wanted to build 2 more floors, but money was not there. But anyway, with that we inaugurated the building in 1998. But in between, Tukaram said we are not going to keep quiet. Let the building come on one side. And then encouraged Anandakrishnan to come up with the project. So he came up with the projects, a school linkage project, computer on wheels for rural school children. So that project started in 1992, and we carried out the computer training in 6 government schools in Vellore, 6 in Trichy, 6 in Salem. Now, those days, computers are not popular even in Chennai itself. I think it was a great opportunity for the children in the government schools, and major role was played by Professor Sankar Raman, head of Department of Computer Science, Computer Center at Anna University, and teachers, volunteers from Anna University traveled to Vellore, stayed with the children in the villages and trained them after the school hours, because we didn't want to encroach into the regular school timing. So the program used to go on till about 9 o'clock. One interesting thing I must point out, but because the girls were there and the teachers were worried, so they said, sorry, 8 o'clock you go home, while all the boys stayed behind, enjoying the working on the computer. The girls complained to the parents, and parents came to the school and said, sir, we are making a request to you. We will come with dinner for our children, girls. We will stay in the school, and we'll stay even till night, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, along with those boys, and we'll take care of the girls and we'll take them home. That was the kind of interest generated during the computer training program. And it continued. At the end of the program, children requested during the valedictory function at Vellore Institute of Technology, one student came up and said, "Sir, we were in total darkness. You came here with a floodlight and you lighted up the whole thing. It was so interesting. But now you say you'll take away all the 6 computers. You are again going to leave us in the darkness. You should leave behind at least 2 computers." Then Anandakrishna was quite moved and he said, "I agree with you. We'll do one thing. Tamil Nadu Foundation will provide 1 computer. You raise funds from your old students and alumni for 1 computer." So that way we got not 2 computers, we brought to each of the 6 computers and left them and went on to the next district. So that was one major project. The other thing that we did was we were able to attract the attention of a donor from Switzerland, and that lady wanted to donate computer to school. When we all visited, me, Nadesan and the lady, we visited the school. There was a lot of smoke. We couldn't talk much in the headmaster's room. She was quite curious, why so much of smoke here? Then the headmaster said there is a Anganwadi by the side and they are cooking food for the kids. The question was, why should there be smoke when you cook food? And it looked very, very difficult for us to answer. Then she said, "Okay, we'll walk into the room." She walked in and suddenly found that she was in the cloud of smoke. And she said, "Hey, a lot of children are here." "Yes, children are here. Cooking is going on." She said, "Okay, no more computers. We will first fix this problem. We will ensure that the children have a clean atmosphere." And she said, "I will donate funds immediately and you convert one into a smokeless Anganwadi." We did it in about 3 months' time with Natesan and the local people help. And she sent a treasurer, and that man came and he was so impressed. And he said, "We are going to go back and raise funds for nearly 100 Anganwadis." So then they sent funds, and Sholavaram alone we raised a lot of money. I mean, a lot of gas we provided. Thanks to Natarajan at this stage, from Indian Oil, he helped us to get gas connection. It was so difficult to get gas connection those days. And as we completed Sholavaram, nearly 100 odd Anganwadis, the demand from the social welfare came to provide the same arrangement in other places. But getting gas was a problem, so we looked for an alternative and landed on one NGO from Bangalore who were producing smokeless stove, a high efficiency stove. Nothing wonderful. The stove had enough facility to allow a lot of air, oxygen. After all, the smoke is nothing but carbon, unburnt carbon. And if you provide enough oxygen, that also burns and it's more efficient. So that way we started with one district, and it from that district, another district, a total of about 1,000 smokeless stoves we provided. And the beauty was, this attracted the attention of the government, both computer training and the smokeless kitchen. They provided for budget, and they said we will have government schools with computers in stages, and we also have Anganwadis with the smokeless facilities, gas if possible. They took over as their project. That was something very, very interesting, and we were pioneers in that. Like that, individual programs and many things went on developing schools. I should mention one thing here. I think Uma was quite happy about what is happening, and he wanted to provide some computers, and we located one school, government school in Mangadu, and Mangadu, I think it is Uma's father-in-law's district, and he visited the school. He was so impressed. Uma was so impressed with the school, computer training and all. That is all at the beginning because it was breaking the ice was very difficult. Now the school has got smart board and other things, and government has taken it up as a project to provide even smart board, internet connection, Wi-Fi, all those things have come about. I am sure that we could definitely take credit for whatever that government has done, and we are happy that we provided the lead and broke the ice. And whenever there was a fund stage, Tukaram will say, in fact, computer training program, we wanted 40 lakhs. There was no money. Tukaram said, we will raise funds.
Welcome.
It was not coming up. It taking time. But Tukaram said, okay, don't worry. You go ahead with your schedule. I will send that money, and later on I will get it reimbursed by Tamil Nadu Foundation. I doubt very much. I don't think he got it reimbursed. But anyway, he says money is out of my pocket, so I forget it. That was his philosophy. He never think it will come back. So like that, so even for the second phase of the building, his contribution was quite a lot. And one promise that he made to the board that make me the coordinator, I take up the challenge. And he lived up to that. And not only he built the building, and he set the tone for various projects to take place in Tamil Nadu, and encourage many people. Hey guys, you are not going to live up even to enjoy the interest out of the investments that you have made. So at least that interest part you must part with. So every conference I used to attend, attended 3 or 4 conferences. Everybody used to crowd around and say, I want to do something for my village, my school. That was something great. That inspiration was provided by Tukaram, and many people joined, and number of projects. It can be, the compound wall for the schools, which was initiated by the antisocial elements in the night, and providing help to, school children for studying. And of course, for our own college, he provided the initial seed money for the career guidance program. And also, he provided enough funds for coming up with the building, Alumni Association building. We used to meet in one of the small classrooms, which could hardly accommodate 30, 40 people. And we built it. And thanks to Sarathi, Attrajan, and all other friends, the alumni center came up, and that is also growing. That is providing support for the career guidance program, which Ram is doing excellently. He is carrying it forward, and many students are very much helped by the career guidance program. So I can go on, and the thing is, Tukaram has touched the lives of so many people with not only his own contribution, by encouraging many others to contribute for their own villages, their own schools. Many panchayats were helped, many government schools were helped. So he was an inspiration for getting all these things done, and he always walked the talk. He makes a promise. I don't know. I think he makes a mental note of all those things and remembers to check back with me. And Vallam College is one college where he started the career guidance program, for which even on the stage as the meeting was going on, he scribbled something in the paper and showed it to me. And he said, please announce on my behalf that we will provide 5 lakhs for capital for the college to run the career guidance program. I was astonished. I said, I again asked him, hey, are you making a mistake? 5 lakhs? 500,000? He said, yes, 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 go ahead, go ahead. So we made an announcement. And within a matter of 15, 20 days, he started sending money. And a corpus was established in Vallam College of Technology for women. That is going on. So, well, I think he touched the lives of so many people, not only through the building project, but also by encouraging as many people as possible to support various projects in Tamil Nadu. Great Tukaram. I think it was my fortune in one of the one night, I think me and Venugopal, we visited him at Besanagar house, and we were, after dinner we were strolling around, and he unfolded the idea. I want to do something for the college, and he asked me, I want to do something for Tamil Nadu Foundation. Will you be in a position to take over and be the coordinator here? I readily accepted. And we visited lawyers, we visited this, that, and we put up a core team. Justice Venugopal, Dr. Anandakrishnan, Ayasami, Dr. Gajaraj, and Engineer Deivamani. An excellent team we provided. Unfortunately, none of them are present now, and they did an excellent job and fought the court case, got the building, and get the whole thing going. Thank you, all of them. And thanks to Tukaram for giving me an opportunity and being a prime motivator for this to happen. Now it is easy. We have laid a first class concrete pathway, 6-lane traffic, 6-lane road, and anybody can, proceed easily, no problem. The olden days was so discouraging. The court case, we fought a case here in Lower Case. That fellow went on to the High Court, and then again there we won. He would not leave. He again appealed, went to the bench, High Court bench in Chennai, and there again we won. And the court went to, we knew that he will go to the Supreme Court, because by the time the prices of the land has escalated, he bargained with our chairman, Venugopal, Justice Venugopal, saying, why are you harping on this piece of land? Come to Tambaram, I will give you 20 acres. I will give you 15 acres. He politely said, no, we will have only this, and we are not going to leave this alone. You fight with Indian rupee, we will fight with the dollars, and we will not leave the space. And before the case can go to Supreme Court, he prepared a wonderful report and presented it through the trusted lawyer, who presented it so beautifully, and court felt there is no need for High Court to interfere with the decision of the Madras High Court bench. So they did not admit the case at all. At admission stage itself, they rejected, and that was a very joyous moment. If they had admitted, the case would have gone for another 5, 15, 20 years, I don't know. But even at the admission stage, it was rejected. Once again, all this background, Tukaram was a person who identified most of the trustees, starting with Justice Venugopal, Anandakrishnan, Ayasami, and others. Thank you, Ram, for giving
Chandra,
opportunity. Thanks.
Chandra did a magnificent job. You have served so well. Thank you. And
Wonderful.
this particular function, they raised $1 million, more than $1 million this year. That's
Great,
all
great.
coming to Tamil Nadu.
Very good, very good.
1.5 million is coming to Tamil Nadu. Last week, they raised that much money.
Excellent, excellent.
When I went to his house, I stayed in his house. Then I was curious. There is one special award given to immigrants once a year that is called Ellis Isle Award. Whenever an immigrant comes, they go to New York, then they take them to that island, then they will be processed to become an immigrant. So every year they give an award. So Tukaram got the special award for Ellis Isle. I wanted to see that. I asked him, where is it? Then he searched for it, then brought it from some cabinet. And it was really a very special one. So I went downstairs to his basement, a wall full of awards. So he has done a lot, and he lives a simple life. With all the money he is giving to others, he could have a very luxurious life, but he decided to give it to society. So he deserves a lot of credit. Thank
I
you.
add one more thing. He even wanted to support on healthcare. He financially supported Tamil Nadu hospitals projects. That's another big money he provided. Go on.
Well, he lives a simple life, shares his
Unfortunately-
wealth.
Unfortunately, the Tamil Nadu hospital thing went through the tubes.
Anyway, so many things have happened.
Yeah, a lot of people made it as a money making.
Velu Sami, Pittsburgh.
Yeah, I
Thanks,
think I got
guys.
to say, could you hear me there, Chandra? Yeah, I got to say, Chandra made it look easy for me to do, but you have to know that the board in USA changes every 2 years. The board of trustees in India changes every 3 years. So when you have an organization, especially nonprofit, there is no continuous leadership, it's not going to be successful. See, Chandra was the primary person in TNF Center to keep it going. You may have a lot of bricks in the building, but you need some glue to keep all the bricks together. Otherwise, the whole building cannot stand. So Chandra was the glue, bonding between the TNF here and me and the local authorities and keeping the accounts. He kept it so good. He actually ran the whole foundation, and for 20 years, I think. He's John
Yeah.
19.
Yeah.
20 years.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah. But Chandra, 2005, it's a time for him to take a break. Then, and he handled that one. And then, that when Modi government came, they were very specific about nonprofit foundation. 2022, more than 2,000 nonprofits were thrown out. They canceled that FCRA certificate. Without the FCRA certificate, we cannot send funds to India. Then the foundation has to be closed down. We are one of the foundation, and we had only one blemish the whole year. That blemish came up from what is Udayamurthy? Is it Udayamurthy?
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
Udayamurthy, that I think somebody sent the foundation money to the school. We don't know that the school went to the school, and then find out that when the school was owned by something connected with Udayamurthy and his wife was a principal, the money did not go to. We went to the school, so he announced in a public meeting. He had a very good foundation. We get money from Tamil Nadu Foundation. That was it. And we were put on the radar. We have been audited at least 4 or 5 times from the central government before we got the FCRA certificate reinstated. We are the only, now we are allowed to operate. That's the only case because of all these years. This
Is
year,
Udayamurthy our teacher or somebody else?
இல்ல. உதயகுமார் இல்ல. He was a local
Politician.
NGO.
The NGO எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. What is the
he was
NGO?
இல்ல.
Not
protesting against-
உன்னால்
he was-
உன்னால் முடியும் தம்பி. No.
இல்ல.
Not
அவர் இல்ல.
Yeah. Check.
he was
இந்த ஆள் வேற.
he was protesting against that atomic project in some place like that. So, anyway, that was a That was one small blemish, but I didn't know that one day. The money that he was using there, it went to school. So this year, the USA, they have every year they analyze all the nonprofit foundations. Tamil Nadu Foundation was one of the top 2% of the foundation, which has got the unblemished record because we spend about less than 3% of that contribution for administrative purposes. So 97% goes to the project. Not many foundations do. So that was a great thing. But coming back to Chandra, without Chandra, I don't think the foundation would have done as good a job as it's done.
Well done,
Because
Chandra.
I know he doesn't, and
You are too lavish.
yeah. Thing is, say,
Illama.
you can have a good administrative capabilities. If you do not have the passion, nothing moves. People can see the look in your eyes. They can see you're doing a job. You're not really doing it. I know Chandra, but the Anganwadi project itself, that would not have happened without Chandra and Pamela Walsh. We did about 650 Anganwadis we supported, I think, and then
Yeah.
rest of the government took over. So that is a great project. Even that the North Arcot district, we did the 6 schools, and I took my son one day and he contributed one of the schools, and it was a good experience for all of us. I learned a lot from working with these people. The thing is here, remember I had a open heart surgery in 1997.
Which one?
I got a triple bypass surgery 1997.
Uh-huh.
Okay, then the doctor told me, take it easy, you got to slow down,
Oh,
That
oh.
was there so, but when I don't hope you guys never had the surgery. I don't know any of you had it. That is when you walk through that operation theater, everything is so perfect. Everything stainless steel polished, and I saw the big wheel about, I think maybe about 18 inches wheel, sharp stainless steel. So that's the one they used to cut your chest off. So they were showing me, this is the one we're going to use on you. But he also told me there is a 1% chance he may not come back. And that was the warning he gave me, But the one thing I did was,
Tukaram, you are the first one to get a heart surgery in our class.
pardon me?
Then a lot of other have like Natarajan, Kannabiran, Number Kalyanam, all these people have gone through that.
Yeah, it is. See, the thing is here, when you know you're not may come back, you always, a lot of things go through your mind, right? And whether you've done a good job, you take care of wife, you made your life useful. At that time, I was completely in peace. And if it's gone, I'm gone, I think I've done that, been there, done that, and it's seen another thing. So that was a kind of satisfied. I don't think you would have that kind of satisfaction if I were not involved with the TN Foundation. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Is you have to feel good about it. At the end of the day, what is there. The best thank you get is you see the people's in the eyes of the people when you talk to them about something. That's the one. There's no money to that. I remember that 2005 when we inaugurated the second phase of the at that time it was some kind of a problem with that one. We couldn't do outside function. We did it in a hotel with the ambassador from US ambassador open the second phase. At the end of the meeting, somebody told me, Ram, somebody wanted to see you. The guys, about 10 or 12 people wanted to see you. I said, they've been waiting for a while. I said, okay. And then I went and see them out. And they were sitting in the meeting back of the room. And then found out that those are the 12 teachers we helped almost about 10, 15 years ago. We trained them to be computer teachers. And they are the teachers, for the 6 North Arcot district schools. They came all the way one day. They spent the whole day just to see me for 5 minutes and say thanks. I still remember that one.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I won't be talking to you about this because that is the best reward you get for doing something. without even- So I can see that those teachers are really committed to the schools. They don't have to come all the way, and we're not involved at the time of the schools, but they came because knowing that I'm going to be there, and came and see. It is not easy at the time to come from well, some town all the way to Madras and take a bus and come to the hotel. And it was good. So it was a. Then I stayed there till about 2000. I think 15, because at that time the foundation is very good. And there's no issues about the finance, everything else. Everything was running okay. So I thought at the time I should resign because you can't hang on to the non-profit foundation all your life. So now I have a working on another major project that will be my retirement project. Hopefully, that's what I'm working on it, and I'll probably talk to Chandra later on. Sometime
Okay.
when I go to India, I'll talk to him.
So your bucket list is still growing.
I have two bucket lists. One bucket list is I want this project. It will make a big difference in Tamil Nadu, and I'm
Okay.
positive of that. And the second bucket list is I would like to take a world tour and see all of our friends and see as many friends as possible, and take a nice album before I drop dead.
Okay.
Hope I can do it.
Okay.
வேர்ல்ட் டூர் போனா என்கிட்ட என்ன கன்சல்ட் பண்ணு நான் ஒரு சுத்து அடிச்சிட்டேன். So I'll give you tips.
Okay.
I'll just add one thing. Till the smokeless kitchen program came about, many people, society, teachers, Anganwadi people, government staff, ministers, none of them knew the plight of the children about the smoke. Then everybody started saying, look, the children learn things before the age of 6, and they cannot be kept in the smoke all the time and kill their brains. Then it got speeded up. Government took it up as their own project. That was something good.
I want to say something here. At the end of the function at the Tamil Nadu Foundation, we had a surprise guest, Rajinikanth. I never thought he could have this kind of a thought. He said one thing that impressed me. In life, you have to accept, adapt, and accommodate, then you will be happy in any situation. So that is a thing I want to pass it on to you all.
Great.
Accept, adapt, and accommodate.
Accept. Good.
He is a unique human being, Rajinikanth. Yes, he has gone through so much in life, I think.
No, that was a great, it is a very simple one sentence that makes sense to me. Accept, adapt, and accommodate.
Great.
I had to miss the TNF.
You did, yeah.
I know.
Yeah, actually, the local program was so good, better than Ilayaraja's music program.
Oh, yeah.
The two local guys, I think if we
Yeah.
get a video,
Fantastic.
I will get the video and then I will ask Suresh to put it on the video there.
I'll
It
do
is
that.
Fantastic. The
I can
local
post it
dance
on YouTube
program-
for you.
The bar.
This,
That was the best, very good.
Kindly
Tukaram.
arrange for that. Arrange for that.
I really felt why
Venkatraman is here. I will share one thought. Venkatraman was also there on the second phase of inauguration of Tamil Nadu Foundation. Ravi Kandadai was there. He was the American
Yeah.
consul. Then Venkatraman wanted to say something to him. He said, no, I am in a great hurry. Immediately Venkatraman switched over to Spanish. Then the hurry was gone. They were talking for nearly 30 minutes in Spanish. Venkatraman, you remember?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, right.
But that was the only time I happened to meet him.
Correct.
I never
He
got
was
a chance.
So impressed, and he was happy to talk to him in
It was interesting. Yeah.
Spanish for a long time. Go ahead.
This question.
Venkatraman is quite smart. He knows
yeah.
how to do.
Tukaram, I have a question for you.
I'm smart enough to fool you guys, maybe. I don't think so.
Tukaram, I have a question for you. Why did they invite this idiot Ilayaraja?
What is it?
Why did TNF invite Ilayaraja? They could have invited somebody else.
No,
This
I
guy's
don't know.
head-weighted bastard.
I cannot answer the question because I was not involved in that process. But you can see the number of people waiting. You know how many hours? The people are waiting for 6 hours on the line.
Oh,
So they were
God.
expecting the course.
Yeah,
It
that-
was
that
all
is
sold
a-
out.
I think that's why. I mean, that's the main reason TNF wanted him to come there because a lot of people will come.
Exactly. They want to fund. They got the fundraising. So they're not going to invite you and me for that one. They're going to invite.
No, there are other music directors like Harris Jairaj and others.
He
But
doesn't.
this guy,
People waiting. The people paying
Crowd
$10,000 to take a
pulling,
picture
crowd
with you.
pulling.
SK, people are
Yeah.
paying $10,000 and they pay $500 to take a picture with you for 10 seconds. I don't know what the heck to do.
முதல்ல செருப்புல அடிச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் தான் பிக்சர் எடுப்பேன்.
Hey, everybody has a different, they all dance a different music, so.
Well, you and I have gone through the frustration back in 1994. So
It was not that
with
popular at the time.
Ilayaraja and this
Kamal Hassan.
Kamal Hassan.
Yeah, but the one thing I cannot really tolerate, or it can't even difficult to see, everybody touching his feet. I cannot believe that when they people display.
Oh, yeah.
That was difficult, difficult to see. But
Yeah,
that's
when I saw his name, I knew he was I think TNF did to pull the crowd, which I'm glad they achieved what they wanted.
the main reason this. See, if we in any society, the top 5% does most of the work. Even the foundation, the top 5% people does the work. The rest of the people, the fundraising, they come and go, so, but they're interested, but they don't have the time. There's a lot of issues, but we need the membership for the foundation. So the only way to get attract is you have to bring some. That's the only reason they bring that. So, otherwise we would not have caught it. After all the expenses, we still cleared about 1.5 to $2 million, which you would not have got, which could help a long way for the foundation. It was a good foundation. It has been 50 years. Not too many foundation has unblemished record for 50 years, which is good because the whole team is very committed. There are a lot of committed people in the foundation. It is not a one-man show. It never was a one-man show. We got a excellent board of trustees at
But
Chennai.
Tukaram, in America, we have 500,000 Tamilians, right? How many are members of Tamil Nadu Foundation?
Yeah, well, I would say
1,500.
no,
3%.
2,000 members.
Yeah, which is 3% of the people live in America. So,
Yeah, but the thing is, the newer generation may not know about Tamil Nadu Foundation, the guys who came in the last 10 years. The people in
no
Tamil Nadu
SK, no
No,
SK.
if you look at the people in Tamil Nadu Foundation, even when you went there, you will see all guys in our age, not these little guys, small guys.
No, not true. But even our age, how many are there? 100,000, 150,000? But we are cheap. We don't want to give the $200 a year. That is the problem.
Actually, they dropped. It used to be $300. Now it dropped to $200. But
They don't want to give the $200. That's it.
I don't know whether I agree with you.
Hi, Kalyanam.
it
I
is
don't-
getting bad. The second generation is doing very well, but they're not attached to the India, though. That's the problem.
Yeah, that is true.
because there is no bond.
There's no bond anymore.
And they don't feel obligated also.
Exactly.
because- yeah. Whereas we
Connect
were
is
born
not
in
there.
India, educated in India, so
Mm.
you have a guilt feeling. Hey, I have to do something for my motherland. I still feel like that. The second generation don't have that feeling.
Second
So you try-
generation, the minute they
Hey.
walk in, they buy a BMW or Audi. That is their aim.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, there's a guy in Coimbatore. He calls Audi Valayal car because Audi's got that 4 circles.
Yeah.
He calls it Valayal car.
Oh, okay, okay.
இவன் காரை பத்தி எல்லாம் கமெண்ட் அடிப்பான். புது கார்லாம் என்ன இருக்குது இல்ல எல்லாம் என்ன like he gives
என்னப்பா சுரேஷ் ஹைஜாக் பண்ணிட்டனா உன்னுடைய அஜெண்டாவை?
No, no, no. This is the far more important.
Okay, all right.
அஜெண்டாவே கிடையாது நமக்கு.
I take a minute
Take any number of minutes.
for Tukaram. One of the passion for him was career guidance program. He used to say that when he went to US, he never even knew where the US consulate was. So he said that the younger students should not have the problem. Though we used to have what is called a Peterson's Guide those days. That was the only book that provided information about all the universities in USA. So that book was weighing nearly about 5-6 kilos. He said, Chandra, you'll have to take it to our alumni association for the boys. I said it was too heavy. But anyway, I carried that book. That was the Peterson's Guide. I should say that USIS, I think they had 2 copies. The students used to queue up and register and say, next, I want to look at that book. Now the things are so advanced that the students are able to fix
Online.
their roommates, fix their menu, all those things, even before
Yeah.
they started off from India. So
That-
they don't have an obligation at all. But those days it was so difficult. I know how Tamil Nadu Foundation members gathered the people from newspapers, from this, that, with no communication facilities those days. So that emotional bond was there, which continues, which of course is not there with the present day students.
Chandra,
Is to make money. Okay.
my experience with these younger guys, because when I worked for Pershing, this was the Y2K time when we had a lot of South Indian kids that came to help with the project. And these guys, after staying like 6 months in the USA, they're telling me which credit card to buy and which one, how to manage credit cards.
Yeah.
நான்
Yeah.
15 வருஷம் உட்காந்து கிரெடிட் கார்ட்லயே வாழ்றேன்.
Yes.
அவன் எனக்கே வந்து சொல்றான்,
Yes.
நீ இந்த கிரெடிட் கார்டை வாங்கி இதுல வாங்கி காசை வாங்கி அதுல போட்டு பில்லை காட்டுங்க.
Right. Correct.
அப்புறம் these people, when they come to in USA, they know how cheap way to go from New York City to Washington DC.
Well,
Round
they,
trip down-
they have
round
all the details in the phone.
ஆமா
in the
வந்து
smartphone.
சொல்றான், சார் 50 ரூபாய்க்கு நாங்க வாஷிங்டன் டிசி போயிட்டு தட் இன்க்ளூட் ஸ்டே ஓவர் நைட். $100 இதுக்கு போயிட்டு வரோம் நாயக்ரா ஃபால்ஸ். நம்ம போன பெட்ரோல் செலவே $100 ஆகுது சரியா போனா.
நம்ம வந்த புதுசுல கெனால் ஸ்ட்ரீட்ல ஏபிசி குன்ஸ் அண்ட் பாண்ட்னு 3 கடை இருக்கும்.
ஆமா
அங்கேருந்து இந்த 220 வோல்ட் சாமான் எல்லாம் வாங்குவோம். எப்போ வேணா ஊருக்கு போனோம்னா 220 வோல்ட் சாமான் வாங்கி எடுத்துன்னு போவோம் அதுல இருந்து. இப்போ அந்த ஹோல் ஸ்ட்ரீட் இஸ் ஆக்கிபைட் பை இந்தியன் கம்பெனி டூயிங்
இல்ல,
பிசினஸ்.
எல்லாம் குஜராத்தி தூக்கிட்டாங்க. ஆனா இந்த இவன் குடுத்துன்னு இருக்காங்க.
அந்த ஜூயிஷ் பீப்புள்லாம் கான்.
The other guy was Kalustia.
அது grocery store.
grocery store.
Yeah.
Thing is,
Greek.
that store is still there with all these Gujaratis and Malayalis with their Indian grocery store. And the 26th Street போனா எல்லாம் இருக்கிறாங்க. லிட்டில் இந்தியா அங்க ஒரு லிட்டில் இந்தியா இருக்குது. But the Kalusian is still there.
Yep.
கல்யாணம்
இல்லப்பா
எப்படி இருக்க ஓடலாமா?
கட்டாயம்.
Kalyanam seems to have lost weight.
SK, I want to send a text to you, but I don't know how you'll take it, so I did not send the text. You and Venkatraman send a picture. Both the guys are hands folded. Well, what are you? You're standing in front of your wives or what?
படம் எடுத்தது wife.
Yeah.
Because you were sitting down there. I wanted to say, hey guys, are you see your wife's in front? I didn't want to send it that one there.
இப்போதானேப்பா சொன்னோம், I'm intelligent enough to fool the others. That's all.
எங்க கண்ணபுரான
அவன் ஏனோ லாகின் ப்ராப்ளம் சொன்னாங்க.
இல்ல என்ன 7 மணிக்கு எழுப்பினான். எழுப்பி எப்படா நம்ம ஐபோன்ல வந்து ஜூமுக்கு போகணும்னா நான் அப்புறம் என் போன்ல போட்டுட்டு இதுக்கு போட சொல்ற மாதிரி பாஸ்போர்ட் வேலை செய்யலான்னா. ஸோ
Then he contacted me. Then he contacted Natarajan. Desperate.
I walked him through how to get connected and it's all worked all right. I don't know why
It worked. He even joined. He even joined for a few minutes and disappeared.
எந்த ஊர்ல இருக்காரு?
Chennai.
Bombay.
He's in Chennai.
No, he's in Chennai right now.
He's in Chennai.
யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சர்வர் ப்ராப்ளமோ ஏதோ சொல்லியிருந்தாரு.
வந்து ஐபேட் பாம்பேல வச்சிட்டானா. He didn't know how to connect using a phone.
சரிதான் சார்.
அவனுக்கு ஐபேட் இல்லைனாக்கா
ஒண்ணுமே ஓடாது.
ஐபேட்
வீரராகவன் இருக்காரு. Can we see him now?
மூஞ்சிதான் காட்ட மாட்டேங்கிறாரு.
காட்ட மாட்டேங்கிறாரு.
நிறைய பேர்
வீரராகவன் வீட்டு
Never say anything.
ஹலோ வீரராகவன் ஏதாவது பேசுங்க.
சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காரு.
குரலையாவது கேட்கலாம்.
கரெக்டா இருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான். Nothing more. He tries that with our group also sometimes. WhatsApp group.
சரி, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்திருக்காரு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா? வீரராகவன் இதுவரையிலும் இந்த மீட்டிங்ல
I don't remember.
Hey, we have got 14 participants, out of which Tukaram is 2 times.
And only 2 from India.
Only 2 from India.
Or யாரு?
Radhakrishnan is there.
நல்லா ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணுங்கப்பா.
ஐயா 1 hourல ஆஃப் ஆயிடுதா அது?
ரைட், 1 hour தான் டைம்.
ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணா இன்னொரு 1 hour-ஆ?
ஆமாமா.
Okay. I'll be here for another half an hour. Hello.
Hello. எப்பா இது வந்து யாரு
கல்யாணம்.
கல்யாணம்
Welcome
கல்யாணம்
back. மணி வந்தாச்சு.
எவ்வளவு பேருக்கு அது ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணணும்னு கவனிக்கிறாங்களே நம்ம தெரியல.
Hello. Good morning.
குட் மார்னிங் அகைன்.
யானை வரும் பின்னே மணி
Money.
வரும் முன்னே.
Money. Hey, Venkat, எப்படிப்பா இருக்க?
Better, all right.
Yeah, very good. God's blessings to you.
Thank you, pa. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
கல்யாணம் நல்லா வெயிட் லூஸ் பண்ணி ட்ரிம்மா இருக்கான்.
படராமா பார்க்கவே இல்லையே.
என்ன ஊர்ல இருக்காரு மணி?
மணி இப்ப வந்து அட்லாண்டா.
ஓ சரி. நான் கல்யாணம் வாஷிங்டன் இல்லையா? வாஷிங்டன்.
கரெக்ட்.
வெங்கட்ராமன் நியூ ஜெர்சியா? பென்சில்வேனியா. சரியா?
நீங்க எங்க இருக்கீங்க சார்? நீங்க?
ஹியூஸ்டன்.
Wonderful. Oh, great.
Hey, Mani, how come you are in Atlanta?
I got kicked out from Minneapolis.
For good,
முடியலப்பா, அந்த குளிர் தாங்க முடியல.
So you are good.
இந்த பையன் காலில் விழுந்தேன், வான்னு சொல்லிட்டான்.
Very good.
ஓ ஓகே. இங்கே உட்கார்ந்து மேட்சும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
அட்லாண்டால எந்த ஏரியா?
I live in Suwannee.
I used to come to Atlanta many years. So, not the past 5 years. Before that, I used to have a project several times, summer project.
Wonderful.
Yeah. But I don't know.
20 வருஷமா வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆனா எப்பவும் போய் ஐஸ் பட்டிக்குள்ள போய் அடக்கமாயிடுவேன். வழக்கமாயிருக்கு. இப்பதான் தைரியம், ஐஸ் வேண்டியதில்லை, எல்லாம் நடக்க முடியும். ரொம்ப குளிர் தாங்க முடியல.
Minnesota, yeah, it's very bad, yeah. Very cold, yeah.
Good that you took a bold move like that.
என்னப்பா?
Good that you took a bold move to move.
Yeah, I've been thinking, but I don't want to be a nuisance to anybody.
But summer எப்படி இருக்கு? Summer ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்கா? Tolerable, yeah.
Wonderful here. Like in almost not as good as Chennai, but slightly inching towards Chennai. Equal வராது.
ஹீட் வேவ் இல்ல, இருந்தாலும் 95 degrees. இப்ப ஹியூஸ்டன்ல 95 degrees இருக்கு.
Even Minneapolis, it touches 100 sometimes on a few days,
Oh yeah, in the summer?
Yes, 100, 101. It is good. 4 seasons are there in Minneapolis, but
summer gets hot to 100 degrees. Yeah.
Yes. But the snow and ice.
Yeah, there's a minus 20 degrees, right?
Yeah, minus 20. நடந்த ஐஸ்ல நடந்தா தேவலோகம்.
There is no administrator for the meeting. It is being recorded.
Yeah. See, what happened is probably all others are not joining, thinking that you're getting revived. But Anna, Tyagarajan இல்லையே. Tyagarajan was the initiator. Who initiated this session?
Yeah. Tyagarajan is the initiator.
But இங்க Tyagarajan காணுமே. நம்ம திரும்ப அந்த லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணி 4 பேர் தான் இருக்கோம். மீதி பேர்லாம் அதை கவனிக்கல போல் இருக்கு. அப்படியே போகணும்னு போயிட்டு
maybe in the beginning of the meeting they should announce.
Yeah.
In 1 hour we'll be gone and come back again.
Correct. சொல்றீங்க. Yeah. மீதி பேர்லாம் சரி முடிஞ்சிருச்சு அவ்வளவுதான் ஓவர்னு போயிட்டாங்க.
எல்லாரும் பாடான்னு ஓடிட்டாங்க.
நியூயார்க்ல மேட்ச் இருக்கு, அது பார்க்க போயிருப்பாங்க. பாகிஸ்தான்.
Yeah, looks like that. Yeah. So எல்லாரும் at least இது கவனிக்கல, ஏதாவது ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணலாங்கிறது கவனிக்கல. So கல்யாணம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ரெக்கவர்டு எவ்ரிதிங் நார்மல் நவ்? கேட்கல, மியூட்டில் இருக்கீங்க. மியூட்டில் இருக்கீங்க. Unmute and talk. கேட்கல. Still muted.
உண்டாச்சு.
கல்யாணம். இப்ப இருந்துச்சு. How are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. And
How are you, Kalyanam?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Very nice. Nice to see you. Wonderful.
வாஷிங்டன் மேரிலாண்டா வாஷிங்டன் ஏரியாவா எங்க இருக்கீங்க? வெர்ஜீனியாவா?
Washington, we are about 15 miles from Washington.
எந்த ஏரியா? Where are you in the Washington area? In the Virginia side or Maryland?
Maryland side, Potomac.
Okay. Very good.
About 15 miles from Washington.
From Washington, okay.
Very good.
அங்கதான் திருமணம் நடந்தது. வாஷிங்டனில் திருமணம் அங்கதானே நடந்தது.
Potomac, ஆமா. அந்த கதையை சொல்றாரு. வாஷிங்டன்ல இது நம்ம
ஆனந்த விகடன்
சாவி கதை. சாவியினுடைய கதையை சொல்றாரு. அந்த அட்லீஸ்ட் அது கவனிச்சு நல்ல ஒரு கதையா எழுதியிருக்காரு. பரவாயில்ல, ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் தான்.
அந்த காலம் நம்ம எல்லாம் அமெரிக்கால இல்லைன்றதுனால
இது ரொம்ப ஃபீலிங்கா இருந்துச்சு. கல்யாணம் படிச்சிருக்காரா இல்லையான்னு தெரியல.
Hey, Kondu, good morning.
கோண்டு. நாங்க 5 பேர் தான் இருக்கோம், மீதி பேரெல்லாம் ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணல.
அப்படியா? வருவாங்க.
நாங்கெல்லாம் விடாக்கிண்டர்கள். நாங்க அதை ரீகனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். தவளை வழி அந்த லிங்க்கு போயிட்டு தடுமாறி கொண்டு சேர்ந்துட்டாரு.
சுந்தரமூர்த்தியா? சுந்தரமூர்த்தி இல்லையே, காணுமே.
இல்ல, நான் 5 பேர் தான் இருக்கோம் நம்ம.
ஆமா.
நான் இப்ப சினிமா தியேட்டர் எங்க ஊர்ல எல்லாம் போய் பார்க்கும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்து கடைசி அவன் சுபம் போடுறதுல இருப்பேன் நானு. லேட் 5 minutes லேட்டா இருந்தா கூட நான் ஐ வில் நாட் என்டர் தி தியேட்டர்.
இது அந்த காலத்துல சொல்றீங்களா? இல்ல
ஆமா, அப்பதான் சொல்றேன். இப்ப இப்ப போயிட்டு பல வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்புறம் இப்ப எல்லாம் சினிமாவும் போறது இல்லை. அங்க போனாலும் அங்க பாக்குறதுக்கு நேரமும் இல்லை. அந்த காலத்துல நம்ம whenever I was working in Chennai, used to do that. இப்ப ரொம்ப லேட்டா போச்சு, 5 minutes லேட்டா போச்சுன்னா ஐ வில் நாட் வெயிட் ஃபார் த டிக்கெட். சில சமயங்கள்ல போறது கிடையாது. அதாவது இப்ப லேட்டா போறோம், ஈவன் டிக்கெட்டே இருக்கு அப்படின்னா கூட ஐ வில் நாட் கோ இன்சைட். பிகினிங் டு எண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டெண்டன்சி.
அப்போ சைக்கோன்னு ஒரு மூவி உண்டு. அந்த மூவில ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 minutes முன்னாடி போகலைன்னா விட மாட்டான் உள்ள தியேட்டர்ல. லாஸ்ட் 5 minutes கம்ப்ளீட்லி இந்த டார்க் நடக்கும் அந்த மூவி. லாஸ்ட் 5 minutes வெளியில விட மாட்டான், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 5 minutes அப்புறம் உள்ள விட மாட்டான்.
என்ன பேரு? சைபாவா?
சைக்கோ.
அது அந்த நியூ எலிஃபென்ட்ஸ்ல தான் போய் பார்த்தோம் நாங்க. மினர்வா கரெக்ட். மினர்வா இந்த இதுல இங்க இந்த ரவுண்டானால இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா? ரவுண்டானாவா இல்ல அர்மேனியன் ஸ்ட்ரீட். ஓ, ஹைகோர்ட் தாண்டி
அர்மேனியன் ஸ்ட்ரீட் கரெக்ட்.
ஓல்டு டவுன்ல
அங்கதான்.
ஆமா, இது மினர்வா கரெக்ட். நினைவு இருக்கு. ஆமா, எல்லாம் பெஞ்ச் மாதிரி போட்டிருப்பான் எல்லாத்தையும். இல்ல பெஞ்சா இருக்கும். அப்ப சீட்டு கிடையாது அப்பெல்லாம். அதுல வெறும் பெஞ்ச் மாதிரி போட்டு ரிமெம்பர் தட். சைக்கோ அதுலதான் பார்த்தோம்.
அப்போ
வெரி பாப்புலர் இல்லையா சைக்கோ அந்த சமயத்துல?
அந்த காலத்துல I was underage to see that movie. போக முடியாது. 18 என்னோ இருக்கணும். நான் 17 என்னோ தான் போ. Cousin said, you wear my glasses. You're 2 years older. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன ஸ்னீக் பண்ணிட்டான் உள்ள. நான்
நம்ம காலேஜ்ல படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது தானே வந்துச்சு அது. கிண்டியில இருக்கும்போது தான் வந்துச்சு.
கிண்டில ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர் த எக்ஸாக்ட் டேட். ஐ வாஸ் அண்டர் ஏஜ். ஸோ கண்ணாடி போட்டு என்ன உள்ள அனுப்பிச்சிட்டான். அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு அவனுக்கு கண்ணாடி கிடையாது. ஸோ அவனுக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியல, அவனுக்கு பார்க்க முடியல. அங்கேருந்து இப்படி இப்படி கை தடவிட்டாங்க, எல்லாம் கத்துறாங்க தியேட்டர்ல. இட் வாஸ் ஃபன்.
இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்.
மணியா?
ஆமாப்பா, நாடி இல்ல.
கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கியா?
ஆமாப்பா.
திரும்பி எங்க?
இந்தியா அண்ட் பாகிஸ்தான் நியூயார்க்ல நடக்குது. In about half an hour, right?
ஸோ உங்க ஊர் எப்படி இருக்கு கொண்டு? அந்த விக்டர் இதுல ஜார்ஜியால அந்த என்ன பேர் மறந்து போச்சு எனக்கு. இட்ஸ் எ டவுன் யூஆர் இன் சிட்டி. எந்த சிட்டியில் இருக்கீங்க கொண்டு? மறந்து போச்சு எனக்கு அந்த ஊர் பேர். ஜார்ஜியால எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
நானா? நான் இப்போ வந்து ராச்செஸ்டர்ல இருக்கேன்.
ராச்செஸ்டர், நியூயார்க்?
இல்ல இதுல மினிசோட்டா. என் டாக்டர் பாக்கிறதுக்கு வந்தேன்.
ஓ சரி சரி.
நான் அங்க இருந்து வந்த உடனே நீ வரியாங்க?
நீ என்னப்ப நீ எப்படி இருக்க என்ன ஏதுன்னு தெரியல, அதனாலதான் ஒன்னும் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணிக்கல. இனிமேல் தான் பண்ண போறேன். இருப்பேன்.
ஆமா, நீ இங்க இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லி நான் வந்தேன் இங்க.
மணி அட்லாண்டால இருக்கான்.
ஒரு மாசமா இருக்க.
ஓ, நானும் ஒரு மாசமா இருக்கேன். எப்படி டைமிங் பாத்தியா? Kondu was a fantastic friend, especially in Narasimhan's class.
ஆமா,
இன்னசென்ட்டா எழுந்து நிப்பான், எல்லாரும் பின்னால இருந்து தள்ளி விடுவாங்க.
ஆமா, என் பக்கத்துல உக்காடுறவங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ப்ராப்ளம்.
கேள்வி கேட்டா பின்னாடி பார்த்து பதில் சொல்லுவான். கரெக்டா இருக்கவே. நரசிம்மன் would like him so much.
ஒரு ஹியூமரஸ் ரிகலெக்ஷன் சொல்லலாமா? இது வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஹவ் வில் யூ டேக் இட். சொல்லலாமா? நம்ம ஆறுமுகம் இருந்தார் இல்லையா? நம்ம சிவில் ஆறுமுகம். இந்த 1964 வந்த போது ஆறுமுகம் ஆல்சோ இஸ் டூயிங் எம்எஸ்சி. அப்ப யூ ஆர் டீச்சிங், யூ ஸ்டார்டட் டீச்சிங் இன் கிண்டி இல்ல?
இல்ல சரி சரி.
64ல அப்ப உங்க ரூமுக்கே வந்திருக்கேன் நானு. அப்ப he brought, அதாவது ஆறுமுகம் brought your room. அப்ப வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஆறுமுகம் என்ன சொன்னாருன்னா, நம்ம பாரு நம்ம கோண்டுலே வந்து கோண்டு வந்து இப்ப டீச்சர், telecommunication. Can you believe it?
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து இதுல என்ன ஒரு ஆச்சரியமான விஷயம்னா, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லைக்டு மீ. நான் அதை விட்டுட்டு நான் வந்து வேற இதுல சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். அப்போ வந்து விசிட்டுக்கு வந்திருந்தாங்க எல்லாம். வந்துட்டு என்ன சார் சொல்லாம கொள்ளாம வந்துட்டீங்க, என்ன சார் சொல்லாம கொள்ளாம. எனக்கே ஆச்சரியம்.
இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்ல.
ஆமா ஆமா.
செகண்ட் போஸ்ட்
இதுல கண்ட்ரோல் ரேட் ஆஃப் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ்னு டிஃபென்ஸ் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். அதாவது ஆர்மிக்கு வர வாங்குறப்போ இதெல்லாம் ஐட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இன்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு டெஸ்ட் ஷெட்யூல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். அந்த மாதிரி வேலை.
எந்த ஊர்ல வேலை?
பெங்களூர்ல. சொல்லு.
பெங்களூர்ல how many years you were working there?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 years. அதுக்கப்புறம் திரும்பியும் வந்து 1995 மட்டும் ஒர்க் 1990 மட்டும் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன். தட் இஸ் 20 இயர்ஸ். அதுல வந்து 13 வருஷம் அங்கேயே ஒர்க் பண்ண பெங்களூர்ல. அதுக்கப்புறமா
Mahesh.
Mahesh, I'm
your son?
past son, obviously.
Your son?
So great that நீங்களா இந்த பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So always stay in touch.
கனெக்ட் பண்றா வருது.
Nice. You are taking care of your father. Very nice.
Wonderful.
ஆமா, அந்த ஐடியா அந்த பாஸ்வேர்டும் போடு. ஆமாடா.
You're all very tech savvy.
நாங்க 5-6 பேர் இருக்கோம்.
அங்க மல்டிடாஸ்கிங் பண்ணிருக்காரு. அங்க என்னமோ பாஸ்வேர்ட்லாம் அனுப்பிச்சு.
Kondu. Wonderful man. Kondu.
Mahesh
Solo controls me.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நல்லபடியா இரு. ஆசீர்வாதம். பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்.
Thank you. நீங்க என்ன பைசிக்கிள் enthusiast நீங்க?
அவர் வெங்கட்.
சைக்கிளிங் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
தூக்கி வால்ல மாட்டிட்டேன் அவ்வளவுதான்.
அத ரிட்டையர் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
ரிட்டையர் ஆயிடுச்சு. இங்கதான் இருக்கேன்.
கல்யாணம், my so-called cousin.
Wow.
So-called. He doesn't want me, but I cling on to him. I'm a Klingon. அந்த மாதிரி.
நீங்க அங்க
He's in Philadelphia.
Oh. You are all in US இல்ல somewhere in US?
All of us
இவர் வந்து டல்லாஸ்ல இருக்கு.
Oh, very good.
And இவர் வந்து மினிசோட்டா போயிருக்காரு. He is in Pennsylvania. Kalyanam is very close to Washington.
Very good. Enjoy. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, this meeting is being recorded, so let us all record our protest. Administrators எல்லாம் ஓடி போயிட்டாங்க எங்கேயோ.
சுரேஷ் டெக்ஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கான், அது இனிமேல் ஜாயின் பண்ணவே முடியாது, இம்பாசிபிள் அப்படின்னு.
என்னாச்சு அது?
அது he is thinking that it is over forever.
No.
மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
நம்ம 6 பேர் இளங்கோ பரவாயில்ல, இளங்கோ வந்து தட்டு மாதிரி கடைசியில ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாரு.
அதான் சொன்னேன், இளங்கோவுக்கு நான் தான் சொன்னேன்.
ஓ
பாப்பா
மியூட்
இல்ல இது ஒரு 50 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ரிகலெக்ஷன் ஒன் மோர் டைம். என்னன்னா நான் கோண்ட் ரூமுக்கு போன போது அந்த 64 65 how many years you were teaching in Gindi?
4 years.
அதான் அப்ப ரூமுக்கு வந்த போது ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கும்போது படிக்காதெல்லாம் சேர்த்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காரு.
ஜஸ்டிஃபை பண்ணணுமே.
நிறைய புக்கா இருந்து டெலிகம்யூனிகேஷனை மாத்தி படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காரு.
அது ரொம்ப ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சேயிங் இல்ல. Once you start teaching, you learn much more.
ஆமா.
இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். அந்த குவார்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? எல்லாம் அந்த டிமாலிஷ்ட் இல்ல,
தெரியல, போய் பார்க்கவே இல்லை நான். இவங்க வெங்கட் எல்லாம் பார்த்திருப்பாருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல இப்போ நிறைய அட்மிஷன் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அதிகமாயிட்டனால அந்த ஓல்டு அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் ஒத்து வராது. எல்லாமே இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஹை ரைஸ் அது
அது இடிச்சிட்டாங்களா என்னன்னு தெரியல.
I think so.
ஒரே ஒரு இது மட்டும் இந்த ஸ்டாஃப் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஃபேமிலிக்குன்னு வச்சிருந்தாங்க ஒரே ஒரு ரோ.
இல்ல அந்த
close to the AC college.
ஆமா அது தனி.
இல்ல let me ask you this. வெங்கட்ராமன் அங்க போயிருக்கிறதுனால I can recollect and tell. Just I am curious. அதுக்கு அந்த பஸ் மாதிரி ஒண்ணு இருக்கும், அதுக்கு பக்கத்துல தான் அந்த நம்ம ஹாஸ்டல் ஃபீஸ் எல்லாம் பே பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். வெங்கட்ராமன் probably a day scholar?
ஹாஸ்டலர்
தானா?
ஆமா
அப்போ வந்து அந்த நம்ம E4 E5 E3 எல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது
ஆ
அங்க ஒரு பில்டிங் இருக்கும். அது பக்கத்துல தான் அந்த பஸ் நிக்கும். அந்த every week, every week they will go and buy some groceries and all from அந்த
மெஸ்
அங்க இதுல இந்த ஓல்டு டவுன், எனக்கு பேர் என்ன, ஜார்ஜ் டவுன்ல வாங்கிட்டு இருந்தே ஒரு பஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா,
ஆமா.
காதிவேணி பஸ். அது பக்கத்துல ஒரு ஆபீஸ் இருக்கும். அதுல தான் we have to go and pay the monthly இந்த
ஹாஸ்டல் ஃபீஸா
ஹாஸ்டல் ஃபீஸ்,
ஒரு
அந்த
மெஸ்ஸுக்கெல்லாம்
மெஸ் எல்லாம் பணம் கட்டணுமே, அதெல்லாம் அங்கதான் போய் கட்டணும். அந்த பில்டிங் எல்லாம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இல்ல, அதெல்லாம் போயிருக்கும்.
இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் இந்த ஃபுட்பால் ஃபீல்ட்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா,
ஆமா.
ஃபுட்பால்
அது இருக்கா?
ஃபீல்டு ஒரு இது இருக்கும், ஒரு ரோ ஆஃப் பில்டிங்ஸ்.
அது இந்த ஆமாமா ABCDன்னு இருக்காது.
ஆமா அதெல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு.
அதுல தான் இளங்கோ இருந்தாரு. ஏல தான் இளங்கோ இருந்தாருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இல்ல, அந்த வெனியர் எம்எஸ்சி படிக்கும்போது
எம்எஸ்சி படிக்கும்போது கோட்டூர்புரத்துக்கு அந்த வழியில புது கட்டடம் கட்டிட்டான், 2வது ஹாஸ்டல்ல தான்.
இல்ல நம்ம அந்த ஃபேக்கல்டி மாஸ்டர்ஸ் இந்த ஃபேக்கல்டி பேச்சுலர் ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ் எல்லாம் தங்குற மாதிரி ஒரு ரூம்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த பிளாக்ஸ் வந்து இவர் எம்எஸ்சி 1963-64 யுவர் ஸ்டேயிங் தேர். நான் ஒரு தடவை வந்திருக்கேன்.
அது கொஞ்சம் தான், கொஞ்ச நாள் தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த புது பில்டிங்ல மாத்திட்டாங்க எங்களை, அதாவது செகண்ட் இயர்ல.
நீங்க ஐஐடி போல இளங்கோ?
இல்ல, இது நான் எம்எஸ்சி டாக்டர் குழந்தைசாமி வராருன்னு எதிர்பார்த்து அங்க I was there for 2 more years. So my stay there in Gindi campus was 7 years.
Oh, okay.
You taught in Gindi?
No, I was a student, MSc student.
MSc student 2 years தானே, 5 yearsங்கறீங்க?
இல்ல, 5 years
5 plus 2.
Oh,
2 years.
5 plus 2 7 years.
Yeah.
Continuous. Right. Then you were in Madurai for 1 year, right? 1 year.
ஆமா. Yeah.
நான் அந்த திருமங்கலத்திலயும் நான் வந்து பார்த்திருக்கேன் ஒரு தடவை.
Oh, great.
Yeah, திருமங்கலம்.
That was I don't know whether I mentioned TVS busல ஒரு தடவை அப்படி அந்த ஃபுட்போர்ட்ல ஏறி இது அங்க போறதா திருப்பரங்குன்றம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். இல்ல இறங்கிடலாமா, இறங்க பார்த்தேன். No, you have entered the bus, so you have to go around and then get out on the other side. டிவிஎஸ் அவ்வளோ பக்கா ரூல்ஸ். அப்போ
நான் மதுரைக்கு வந்த போது ஐ கம்பல் யூ டு டேக் மீ டு மீனாட்சி டெம்பிள். அதெல்லாம் என்ன இப்ப நினைச்சா எவ்வளவு தொல்லை கொடுத்தமேன்னு எனக்கு இதா இருக்கு.
இல்ல we had very good time there. It was a launching pad for me to decide whether I should opt for teaching.
தியாகராஜா காலேஜ் எனக்கு வந்து அப்ப எனக்கு இதுவும் கிடைச்சது, டீச்சிங் பொசிஷன் கிடைச்சது. பட் ஐ டிடன்ட் டேக் இட். அதுக்கப்புறம் after what? After 20 years after I went to teaching. எப்படி இருக்கு?
அதுல ஒரு டெசலேட் ஏரியா, பட் ஒரு சிஎஸ்ஐஆர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்னு சொல்லிட்டு creep analysis every hour the beam bending reading எடுக்கணும். சோ ராத்திரில நான் தனியா கோஸ்ட் மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு சில நாள் இருந்திருக்கேன்.
You were in Tyagaraja College for 1 year or 2 years?
Just a year. Then I moved over to IIT Bombay. அங்கதான் பாவம் சுப்பராயன் was supposed to visit me from Trivandrum.
சுப்பராயன் யாரு? யாரு சுப்பராயன்?
Electrical. Something very unfortunate happened and
பட் இந்த இப்ப ஐஐடிங்கிறதுனால another question. ஐஐடியில் இந்த இளையராஜாவை கூப்பிட்டு அந்த டைரக்டர் வந்து பேர் என்ன ஏதோ பார்த்தனே என்ன மறந்து போச்சு இப்போ கரண்ட் டைரக்டர்
காமக்கோட்டி.
காமகோட்டி. காமகோட்டிங்கிறது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நேமா எப்படி அது? ஏதோ ஒன்று.
அவருடைய அதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நேம் அது.
So when you were teaching he was there?
கொஞ்சம் யங்கர் ஃபேக்கல்டி மாதிரி அவங்க.
சரி சரி. அது இப்ப இந்த இளையராஜாவுக்கு மியூசிக் எல்லாம் பண்ணி ஏதோ பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஒரு நான் வந்து ஐ saw that இந்த
இல்ல அது ஐ திங்க் இட் வாஸ் a foundation. There were contributions from many people or some groups and they wanted to initiate technology and music center research. So it's just not fun. It's a serious affair.
Yeah,
so
and
you watched that the so-called function or what?
No, but I think it was a very long recording, 5 hours, 7 hours or so. I listened to Ilayaraja's speech. That segment I listened to.
I think that unit is named after Ilayaraja.
But I'm not sure whether his contribution is there. But Kamakoti himself is a very good veena player.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. So it is interesting to see so many changes in IIT from those days, from 1965 or this is so long, so many changes in 50 years. So
there is so much of change of color because there are so many new programs. Medicine is part of it now.
Is that right? Is a medical college there?
They have a campus planning going on.
I see.
And also offshore Zimbabwe or some place they have a sister institute built up. So many things are happening. Yeah.
IIT has grown very, very well. Yeah.
வெங்கட்,
என்னப்பா?
என்னமோ உன்னை பார்க்கும்போது காலேஜ்ல ரொம்ப சீரியஸா இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. ஆனா இப்போ ரொம்ப ஜோக் அடிக்கிற எல்லாம் தெரியாம போச்சு. அப்போ பேசிட்டு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட பேசி
அப்படி நார்மலா தான் இருப்பேன் எப்பவுமே.
இல்ல ஏதோ லெக்சர் அடிக்கிற மாதிரி
எவ்வளவு சீரியஸ்னு தெரியும். கல்யாணம்
என்னப்பா?
கல்யாணம் சொல்லவே முடியாது. கல்யாணம்
காய்ச்சல சிரிச்சுட்டு இருப்பான்.
ஹலோ, கிராண்ட் டாட்டரா?
கிராண்ட் கிட். வெரி குட்.
இப்பதான் சொல்லணும், நீ சீரியஸ்லாம் என்ன குடின்னு குடிக்க வச்சு வேடிக்கை பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க.
அப்படியா?
அப்படின்னு சொல்ல வந்தேன். கிராண்ட் டாட்டர் வந்து டக்குன்னு முன்னிறுத்திட்டேன்.
வெங்கட்னுடைய இங்கிலீஷ் லாங்குவேஜ்
ரொம்ப பிரமாதம், ரொம்ப பிரமாதம். எதனா உன்னுடைய இமேஜினேஷன்ல எதனா நீ வந்து ஒரு புக்கு கூட எழுதலாம், இல்ல ஆர்டிகல்ஸ் கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணலாம்.
He's writing a book.
நான் நிம்மதியா சைக்கிள் ஓட்டிட்டு இருக்கேன், என்ன விட்டுருங்கப்பா.
Cyclotron, அத பத்தி எழுதலாம்.
ஓ, சைக்ளோட்ரான்.
ஆமா, நீ காணுங்க.
What a title. Yeah.
You can call him Cyclotron.
How many miles ride every day?
இல்லப்பா, இப்போ அதெல்லாம் past history ஆயிடுச்சு. I'm not able to ride any longer. In the sense, my hip is hurt. So I'm going through all these injections and pain medicines and all that.
I thought you were cured.
I am not totally cured. பாரு, உட்கார்ந்திருக்கதே பாரு, ஷான் வருது. I'm able to sit straight.
It's a leftist fiber.
இது பண்ணா இப்படி போயிடும். So anyway, I am in the process of addressing the problems and getting. It may be another 2 months before I can get back on the bike. Though I'm
Good.
anxious, everybody else tells me that your time is up. பேசாம விடு.
Oh.
வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் இரு.
அதெல்லாம் பண்ணாதப்பா. Don't be in a hurry.
You are the
என்னப்பா?
அதான் ஒரு பிலாசபி இருக்குது. அது வந்து சில்வியா பிரவுன்னு சைக்கிக் அவ சொல்வா, நம்ம எல்லாரும் வந்து ஃப்ரம் அதர் வேர்ல்டு, அதர் வேர்ல்ட்ல வந்துட்டு இங்க வரோம். அங்க வந்து பியூர் ஸ்பிரிட்ஸ், ரொம்ப என்லைட்டன் பீப்புள். அவங்க வந்துட்டு they will write down what all they should do to experience life on earth. ஏன்னா எர்த்துல தான் எமோஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குமா. அதனால அவங்க வந்து எல்லாம் எழுதிக்கிட்டு they will ஒரு ஸ்பிரிட் கைடு அவெல்லாம் வச்சு எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு பூமிக்கு வருவாங்களா எர்த்துக்கு. அப்புறம் அங்க இருந்து எல்லா எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸும் எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்துட்டு திரும்பி அங்கேயே போயிடுவாங்க அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருந்தாங்க.
This is a twist to the karma theory மாதிரி இருக்குது.
அப்படி
They say we are divine beings on a human journey, not human beings on a divine journey.
Wonderful.
the toss and electric field.
என்னப்பா?
Pakistan won the toss.
Yeah, Pakistan won the toss. Oh, they're not batting first, right?
They won the toss, இல்லையா?
Yeah, and they elect to bowl, I think.
Okay.
And elected to bowl.
Okay.
It will be in their favor.
Oh, pitch is in their favor.
And it rains a little bit, so it'll be helpful, but very exciting contest.
Oh.
Yesterday title was Pakistan was thinking that they were playing against USA, but they were playing against Indians. No, USA H1B something.
H1B, right.
It was not the A team or the B team, it was the H1B team.
Why not? He used to be.
What?
But he hasn't been the captain. Yeah. So he's the captain.
Who's the captain?
Rohit Sharma. He decided to give it up.
Omelette or fried? Omelette or fried?
Omelette.
Rohit Sharma.
ஒரு செகண்ட். வீட்லயே ஆம்லெட் வந்துடுறது எனக்கு. நான் ஓட வேண்டியிருக்கீங்க இந்த வெளியில.
அப்படியா?
Jayanti is in India now.
Oh.
So just by myself. The daughter brings cooked food sometimes.
Wonderful.
And other times I go out and eat. Sometimes when I'm in the false mood, I cook. I make
Very
rice.
good. Very good.
I
அப்புறம்
make
குக்
rice
பண்ணிட்டு அதையே நீ சாப்பிட்டுருவியா?
நான் தான் சாப்பிடணும், என்ன பண்றது? அதான் என் தலையெழுத்துன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டியதுதான். I can make good rice and I can make good curd. ரெண்டையும் போட்டா ஊறுகாய் போட்டு சாப்பிடுவேன்.
ஆமா, ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட் நீ.
சர்வைவல்.
லைஃப் பார்ட்னர் கூட இல்லைன்னா அது கொஞ்சம் பிளாக் ஃபீலிங் தான். என்ன பண்றது?
ஏப்பா ஒரு தயிர் சாத்துக்காக இத்தனை சண்டை போட்டுக்கணுமா? நிம்மதியா நான் மனுஷன் தயிர் சாதம் சாப்பிட்டு போயிட்டு இருக்கேன். No, it's all in fun.
இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். என்ன நடராஜன் காணோம்? எல்லாம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாரா? டேக்கிங்
அதான் அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, மீட்டிங் 80 minutes ஆச்சு, ஏன் 60 minutesல கட் பண்ணா அப்படின்னு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காரு.
80 minutes இருந்திருக்கணுமே அவர். அப்போ
இல்ல
he knows it-
இருந்திருக்கணும். அது
ஆ.
க்ளோஸ் பண்ண உடனே எல்லாரும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
இல்ல அது வந்து 60 minutes தான் ஃப்ரீ
correct,
சர்வீஸ்.
correct. 60 minutes.
அதுக்கப்புறம் திரும்ப ரிவைவ் பண்ணணும்.
இல்ல,
But
since he has been a loyal customer for Zoom, he was given an extra concession for one more session, I think. Something like that he mentioned.
நம்ம வி ரீகனெக்டட் 6 பேர் ரீகனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்குமே தவிர
ஆமா.
மத்தவங்க அந்த அந்த அளவுக்கு
மத்த பேர்லாம் தப்பிச்சோம் போயிடுச்சுன்னு ஓடி
நம்ம விட
போயிட்டாங்க.
மாட்டோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம சேர்ந்திருக்கோம். மத்தவங்க எல்லாம்
தப்பிச்சோம் போயிடுச்சுன்னு ஓடிட்டாங்க.
I cannot miss the gems here, so I came. தலைவர் நின்று பையன்கிட்ட கேட்டு வாங்கிட்டேன். It's a boon, it's a bargain in life. See these great guys. அதனால அதை விட முடியாது.
அப்புறம்
நீதான் சொல்லணும். நீதான் சொல்லணும். You are
மணிக்கு
observer.
நான் வந்து 10:30 மீட்டிங் வச்சுக்கலாம்னு வச்சிருக்கேன். எனக்கு வந்து ஐ ஹாவ் அ லஞ்ச் இன்விடேஷன் வித் அ ஃப்ரெண்ட். இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் பேசினே இருந்தேன்னா சாப்பாடு
சரி take care and all of you.
Yeah, I'll see you guys next month.
Best wishes.
See you.
Best wishes. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Good luck to you. Good luck.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, see you
Bye-bye.
next month.
Kalyanam, you look very trim now.
Thank you very much. நீ எப்போ வர இந்த பக்கம்?
என்னத்துக்கு?
நல்ல கேள்வி. சாப்பாடு போட்டா நான் வருவேன். கூப்பிட மாட்டான் கல்யாணம்.
கூப்பிட மாட்டானா?
ஆமா.
கட்டாயம்
3000 வருவேன். இப்ப நான் அரிசோனால இருக்கேன் கல்யாணம். ஃபீனிக்ஸ்ல இருக்கேன்.
எங்க?
Phoenix, Arizona.
Phoenix. Okay. Great place.
Phoenix, Arizona.
The big bird, Phoenix, the bird.
Yeah. 111.
Oh.
வெங்கடாச்சலபதி ஞாபகம் வந்தது. 111.
111 degrees in Phoenix, I believe.
Okay.
I'll actually invite this person.
Oh. Okay, guys. I'll use my.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you all the best.
Okay, Mani. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Kondu
Thank
and
you.
Ilango.
Yeah, please. Nice speaking.
All the
to
best to you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye now.
Maybe I should also take leave. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye now.